listeners. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you enjoy your holiday. Before we went on the vacation, we were talking about a unique characteristic of a man. And we enumerated some of the unique characteristics of man, such as reasoning, problem solving, inquisitiveness, observation. We've done these 4 aspects before we left for vacation. So today we want to consider another aspect of unique characteristics of man. Remember, we said that man has a well-developed brain and is a special animal than other animals like goat, cow, and so on. So that's why this uniqueness of man make it a special animal. So today we want to talk about measurement. And what is a measurement? Measurement is the process of measuring the size, weight, length, or capacity of a substance. Then what are the things we measure in the laboratory? So the things that we measure in the laboratories are 1, length. So the SI unit of length is the meter. So SI unit of length is the meter. So, and what are the things? So man has developed a lot of instruments for measurement. Among these are, so the instrument for measuring length in the laboratory, you can use your ruler, you can use tape rule, and you can use meter rule. You can use meter rule. So these are the things that we use in the laboratory. Then other instruments that we use in the laboratory are linear calipers and micrometer screw gauge. These are used to measure small objects like a tiny wire. Then the next one is mass and weight. Mass and weight, measurement of mass and weight. So measurement of mass and weight determines how heavy or light an object is. How heavy or light an object is used. And what is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter contained in an object or a body. And the unit of mass is the kilograms, kg. We always call it kg. Though we have other smaller units, so but the SI unit of a mass is a kg. And we have many instruments for measuring the mass of an object. We have many scale balances like beam balance, spring balance, and so on and so forth. And for measuring our weight in bathroom, we use bathroom scales. Then weight. Weight is the quality of the heaviness of that object. And weight is as a result of a gravitational force that acted on that object. And the SI unit of weight is Newton. I think we've discussed this in our previous lesson. So the SI unit of weight is Newton. Then time. So in that laboratory also, we also measure time. So this is time is how long a task is performed. And the SI unit of time is the seconds. I think you are all familiar with time. And the instruments man developed to measure time are wristwatch, clock, and stopwatch. We use mostly in the laboratory stopwatch for measuring time. So we said that the SI unit of time is the seconds, and 60 seconds, we all know, makes a minute, and 60 minutes makes an what? An hour, and so forth, and like that. Then measurement of volume. So measurement of volume, we use several instruments like measuring cylinder, beakers, round bottom flasks in the laboratory for measuring volume. And the SI unit of a volume is cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is the SI unit of a volume. So that is the SI unit of a volume. And we have various instruments in the laboratory for measuring volume of a substance. Then measurement of temperature. And what is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or of a place. And temperatures are measured in degrees Celsius, either degrees centigrade or degree Fahrenheit. Then in conclusion, when man is carrying out experiment in the laboratory, it concludes its work by having inference. So this inference is the conclusion of all the observation man has made. And so this is what are things that we use in the laboratory.